Hello, guys. You can make money from your LinkedIn handle. Yes, LinkedIn presents you with so many money making opportunities, but there's one way, that one secret hack that you didn't know about before now that can pay you $1,000, $2,000 every month. And which hack is that? Just guess it. Just guess it. Okay, let me just tell you. Yes, if you have a LinkedIn account, if you've watched my previous videos, you will see where I've explained how to optimize your LinkedIn handle in order to expose it to global opportunities. Now, if you've done all that, if you've watched all my subsequent videos, I believe that you're already applying them and you're already seeing improvement in engagement and increasing impressions. And if you've done that, that is your proof of work to the hack I'm about to share with you right now. That hack is ghostwriting. Yes, do you know that there are tons of CEOs out there, tons of founders out there, there are tons of people on C level of companies that really want to be consistent and frequent on their social media handles, but they can't because they're too busy trying to build their companies. They know that personal branding is going to attract lots of investors, bring in the right market opportunities to them. But they can't afford to build their companies while at the same time maintain their personal brand online. So what do? You pitch it to them. You tell them that you can ghostwrite for them, create content for them that can last for them for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and they will always show up without stressing or bothering about what to write. Yes, they can do this. So ghostwriting is that secret hack that can pay you. Imagine if you're ghostwriting for a social media content, so you don't even need to write lengthy stuff, and you can create 30-day content in just 1 week. Just simply understand. So how do you go about this? How do you go about it? You go about it by cold emailing them, pitching it to them. And how do you do this? If you, I have a list of templates, code emailing templates. I have a simple example samples that can really help you. I'm going to drop my number at the description below so that you can easily contact me and I will give you the sample. So what you should do is go online, go to LinkedIn, go to Twitter, go to Google, and find the CEO of different companies. Now you're going to choose which industry you want to focus on. If it is crypto, if it is fintech, if it is a SaaS like software as a service company, you're going to pick them out. LinkedIn is going to be very, very easy to find different companies and then find their website and find out if they have a team page. If they have a team page, then all you have to do is find out who the CEO is, who and who are on the C level, and then you find out their email address. An easy hack to find email address is to use an app, a web app called Hunter.io. Another easy hack is to type in the sector that you're doing, you're looking for. For example, you can do, if you do painter at email.com, at gmail.com, you're going to see on Google search, tons of searches are going to come up. So, and when they come up, you look out for the one for the CEO. They are always super evident. You scan. It's going to give you. You need a bit of research to do this, but it's not tough. If you're really looking to make $1,000, $2,000, come on, this is just a little effort to help you do that. And then when it comes to my DM, I'm going to give you a sample email you can send to them, or a sample DM you can send to them on LinkedIn. You can send them a LinkedIn email, a LinkedIn uh, text, or you can send them a cold email telling them that this is what you can do for them. These are the advantages of showing up showing up consistently, so you can create content for them so that they don't have to bother themselves about it, and they will still show up and still manage what they are already doing. So this is a secret hack, and I'm telling you, this CEO will be more than glad. All these CEOs and founders and co-founders, they'll be more than glad to have someone managing their social media front for them, managing their social media front for them. So so all right. So if you're If this was helpful, if you want more details, like I said, I'm just a DM away. This is a secret hack that can help. So go right out there and get those ghostwriting jobs. Target CEOs, co-founders, co-found everybody on C levels of different companies, and send them an email and tell them, I can manage your social media content. I can manage the social media content for you. I can create them for you. I can create them for you. Just create them and give it to them. They can post it as I post it at will. You can create samples too and give to them. Like create samples of those contents. We're talking about like 3 day samples to show them that you actually know what you're talking about, right? So now the reason what's giving you confidence that you can do this, like I said, if you practice everything I taught in my LinkedIn, in the last LinkedIn videos that I did about optimizing your social media content, that is sample enough for you. That's experience enough for you. You will know how to do this. You already know how to do this. If you can create content for your own handle on LinkedIn, on Twitter, then you already know how to do this, and I just explained now. So if you have any questions, my the comment section is very available for you. Use the comment section and I'll be waiting for you in my DM.